Are you looking for motorized curtains that blend style, convenience, and smart living? Whether you're upgrading your home or designing a new one, motorized curtains are the perfect mix of modern luxury and functional design. This guide breaks down everything from features and types to installation and how they compare to traditional curtains. 1. Features of motorized curtains. Motorized curtains operate using a small, silent motor that opens or closes the curtains at the push of a button or even via voice command. Some systems work with remotes, while others connect to your smartphone or smart home hub like Alexa or Google Assistant. Key features include programmable timers, light or temperature sensors, and group controls for managing multiple windows simultaneously. 2. Benefits you'll love. The biggest benefit: convenience. No more pulling cords or adjusting heavy drapes. You can automate your curtains to open with the sunrise or close when it gets too hot outside. Motorized curtains also improve home security by simulating presence when you're away. Plus, they reduce wear and tear, help regulate room temperature, and elevate your home's overall aesthetic. 3 types of motorized curtain systems. There are a few popular types. Track systems are ideal for wide or sliding windows. Rod systems preserve decorative curtain rods while still offering automation. You can also find roller blinds and Roman shades with built-in motors for minimalistic interiors. Depending on your needs, choose from battery-powered, plug-in, or hardwired models. 4. Installation process. Installing motorized curtains can be easy or complex based on the type. Battery-operated models are DIY friendly. You just attach the motor, mount the track, and sync it with the remote or app. Hardwired systems are more robust and reliable but usually require a professional installer. Always measure window dimensions carefully and check compatibility with your smart home setup. 5. Smart integration options. If you're building a smart home, motorized curtains can seamlessly integrate with your existing setup. Many systems work with apps like Tuya, Smart Life, or native platforms like Apple HomeKit. You can set up automations like movie mode, where lights dim and curtains close with a single command. Timed schedules, app control, and voice activation add layers of comfort you didn't know you needed. 6. Maintenance and lifespan. Worried about upkeep? Don't be. Motorized curtain systems are low maintenance. Just keep the tracks dust-free and check the battery charge every few months if applicable. The motors are usually rated for thousands of cycles, meaning they'll last years with regular use. Updates for app-connected devices are occasionally required but easy to manage. 8. Best places to use motorized curtains. They work great in living rooms, bedrooms, home theaters, and tall windows where access is difficult. You can also install them in nurseries, offices, and even outdoor patios with weather-resistant models. They add privacy, block sunlight effectively, and help maintain indoor temperatures, making them both a style and energy-conscious choice. 9. Comparison: manual versus motorized. Manual curtains are simple, but lack automation and control. Motorized options offer seamless operation, programmable schedules, and smart home compatibility. While manual curtains may seem cost-effective upfront, motorized systems are far more efficient in the long run, especially in large or luxury spaces. If you value tech-savvy convenience, motorized wins hands down. 10. Final thoughts. Motorized curtains aren't just a trend, they're a smart investment for a modern home. From convenience to energy savings, they offer a level of comfort and luxury that's hard to beat. Whether you're looking for a high-end solution or a budget-friendly smart upgrade, there's a motorized curtain system that fits your needs. Thinking of switching to motorized curtains? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interior design tips and smart home solutions.